So this is our term project.
I'm Isaac.
And I'm Denise.
And I'm Ty. And then this is what we have been working on. Okay. So as you can see right here, it has to do with some money. And what it is it is a stock analysis tool. And back to the instructions, basically, it is designed to aid with the management and assessment of many stocks by allocating a home location for all of them. And you can also list stocks and assess them for risk level and diversity. And then here are the instructions for doing so, and we'll basically go through that process right now. And as an aid for that tool, my friend Isaac will explain some of the buttons that he has made, starting with the add sample data, just in case you don't have any stocks yet.
Alright, so we have right now already up actually some of the sample data that you can use just to practice with the sheet before you get your own stocks. So what you do is you just press the button and all of a sudden the stocks will pop up. One second, let's change this to get the format back, and then Ty will go over this more in a second, but basically this is what I did. It pops up, and the different categories we have is it gives you how many shares you own, how much those shares cost, the type of stock it is, and then how much the stock has gone up percentage-wise over the last month. Another thing that I added in was this button right here, highlight best worst investments. So if you press this, then it will go through the increase or decrease in the month, and we'll find which of your stocks are the best for you and which of your stocks are the worst for you. So yeah, that's a helpful tool. Adding your own stocks or whatever you want. So yeah.
Alright, and then we have these little buttons on the side where you can decide, how aggressive or moderately you'd like to invest. So if, let's say, you'd like to go for a more moderate take, it will show you a few of the stocks that are at the more moderate risk level, and then every button will work for the type of risk level you're willing to go for on your stocks.
Awesome. And this way is format. Basically, what we have done is you can enter in if you want to add any more stocks to your portfolio. You can add them right here. For example, you can put in a different stock, and you can update the amount of rows you have, and it will ask you if you're sure, or in other words, if you're ready to make money, and it will add them right here to the certain amount of rows that you want for your stocks. And it also will give you a sum total of the amount of stocks you have right here based on your stocks per company or stock name. And finally, we have your portfolio diversity, which, as you can tell, we have enormous amounts of Bitcoin, but if we were to change that, you get more accurate representation of what stocks you have and how much. And that is our project. Thank you so much.